What up, y'all? Today is another vlog. It's Saturday, March 10th. It's a real dark, rainy day. This ain't rain jack, but it's still dark. And we out. I think V about to go to Target and pick up some type of makeup or something like that. So I don't know what she's gonna get, but she looking for something cool. Some new product that just came out. I've been seeing that people been, a few people been watching the vlogs and they've been enjoying it, but not as many people as we like. So y'all get a chance, please feel free to subscribe, share the video with other people, suggest content that y'all might want to see, and we're gonna try to make this epic for y'all. So just, it's gonna be a journey. I know we ain't gonna get a whole lot of subscribers overnight, but we gonna get it though. So we're gonna show y'all everything, probably from like how to start a successful business and to grinding out to get what it is that you want out of life, and you know what I mean? Just let y'all witness the journey. So make sure that y'all watch the videos all the way through if y'all can. You ain't gotta watch no ads and nothing.
Get up on this canteen, okay? It's a apple cider vinegar root rinse. It's amazing. Okay?
All that stuff is the same.
Clean your roots.
I don't think it matters what it is. It's like the same. What you get. What does that do?
I don't know. Gentle cleansing water.
You never had that before?
Oh, this might be kind of nice. I don't know.
You better get it.
I might not. Might or might not.
Not at all. It's all still on there.
Oh, okay.
All on there. What color you getting?
I don't know. I'm probably do like a.
What's the difference between that and the other ones?
What do you mean?
I mean, it just looks like any other like lip gloss.
This lip bar was made by a girl who went to our high school, so that's why it's different. Sweetheart, gotta support Cass Tech alumni. Okay.
Seems like it's the same.
Detroit City.
It's nothing special.
Oh.
Baby Bahimi?
Yeah.
What is that? What is Baby Bahimi?
Baby Bahimi. It's this one. What's that one? It's cute packaging, y'all. I can't wait to swatch it and let y'all see that these are the colors I got. This is why I came to Target, yours. Support a fellow Detroiter and Cash Technician went to Cass 03. Stand up.
She get a little cranky when she hungry, so we gotta go get some to eat.
Y'all hungry? Nah, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood.
She get a little cranky when she hungry.
Anthony, these are the yogurts Anthony was talking about.
Oh, I'm about to
Giovanni, but it's $1 here too.
I'm about to say, whose name is Anthony? That's not my name.
This is
what you talking about? Which kind you finna get?
I don't know if I want any.
Pineapple.
We still have our yogurt in that big old pineapple.
What is this one? Chocolate?
It is right there. But dessert. Give me one of those. Let me see what it tastes like.
I have Haagen-Dazs at home.
But dessert.
I picked up Haagen-Dazs.
Well, you don't have to get you one.
I grab a couple for work, like be smooth. Which one you want? You want strawberry or you want blueberry?
Now these y'all are kind of amazing.
Oh, they got the mint chocolate chip drinks. Is it a lot of sugar in them or something?
19 grams.
That's a lot of sugar. If it's over 10 grams, you gonna give me a globe?
No, I'm not giving you nothing for your behavior.
Your behavior, man. You've been in this doggone store for too long.
You're not trying to have me be great.
I've been getting to know people in ways I didn't care to get to know.
How?
I've been finding out.
But this is good too for the two.
A lot of women got hammer time, man.
Ooh.
I've been seeing all kind of biscuits. People having on biscuits today. All the way from like.
But your boo feet ain't like that.
Platinum slip-ons. It don't look right.
Your boo feet don't look like that, dude.
Is that right? Y'all. Hey, we at Home Depot. V giving our neighbor a new name. I don't know where she got the damn name that she giving our neighbor, but that ain't his name. His name is not Chewy. With the key. Call the damn neighbor, what you call the neighbor?
No, he called him Chewy.
Nah. His name, I think his name is Chew.
No, you said Chewy.
Nah, I ain't say that.
You did.
How you gonna get a neighbor a new name? They don't want to know that. They do not want to know that. It's always inappropriate. You got the dang on. You trying to take them to where you trying to take them last time? Onyx?
Oh yeah, no.
Blue Flame.
It was
Is it Blue Flame?
No, it was Onyx.
Trying to take them to Onyx, and now she want to call the neighbor Chewy.
No, I
She
didn't
need to
call
get it
him.
together.
I didn't call him
She
Chewy.
need to get it together.
They got,
We ain't getting no flowers today. We don't need no. Where did you go put a tree at?
In the front. We gonna do little bushes.
We can't put the tree nowhere.
You gonna let us go down?
That's bro. You ain't putting no. You won't give me one of them? Give me one of these right here?
On the John Deere.
Yeah, hook me up. When I look good on there?
If we had enough, whatchamacallit, to spend $28,000 or $2,800 on
Ooh.
a grass cutter. What is it
I
called?
think I would look good in that.
A lawnmower?
That ain't no 28,000.
I said 20.
My boss was buying
You
one.
need a bucket.
So what you getting, V? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you thinking, girl. Come on.
For
What
the
you thinking?
fireplace,
Uh-huh.
where the fireplace is, since it already has that black,
Okay.
we could just do the whole wall, the arches black,
All right.
right? On either side with the dining room and the living room.
I'm not picking up what you putting
And then
down.
the inside of the arch can be the white. And then the trim of the fireplace can be white. So our accent wall, instead of being like in an awkward place, will be on that kind of already made accent wall because it's already like has the arches. And then we can paint the onyx black on our door. In the living room, the door that opens.
You gonna paint those doors?
I think so. I think it'll be cute.
That's fine. So you're gonna paint those doors, and then
Onyx black.
you're going to do.
And then the wall where our fireplace is, that wall will be onyx black.
And the wall where the fireplace is gonna be onyx black.
Yes, but the inside of the arches can be that white.
The wall where the fireplace is. But won't that bit blend in with the fireplace if you put? Because it's got a black.
Because the actual fireplace, the molding on the fireplace is white.
I thought it was black.
No, it's black on the inside.
Oh,
And then it's
oh, you
white.
mean the molding that separates
Yeah.
the? Okay,
So
so
it'll
you're gonna
kinda
do
be like a-
black on black. You're gonna make sure that black
Well,
matches,
we can
right?
keep it. We can keep that white and just keep that black. I see what you mean.
Yeah.
And then, but I still want that onyx black on the door to bring in the fireplace.
Okay.
So basically, you see this white is not like a white.
They can't see
It's
that.
floral white.
But they're gonna have to take your word for it because you can't really.
It's like let me
It's
see.
like
if I
we
can-
washed out with those lights up there.
Do they have floral white? Y'all, they trying to play us with the floral white.
The what kind of white?
Floral white.
Oh, okay. Is that close to cocaine white?
No, it's not. It's like a It's like a beige but white, like a off white. It's basically what it is.
Eggshell.
Yeah.
Mother of pearl.
Mother of pearl, however you want to say it, child, it's gonna be on our walls. Okay.
Oh, for real?
Mother of pearl.
Now, how much is this stuff gonna cost us?
We gonna see.
God.
We gonna see. Okay.
Your wife tried to put you in a poorhouse.
No, it's not. Do
It's
you like
expensive.
that? All right, you guys. So we are leaving Home Depot, and we at least have samples, and then we have what else? We got the goods. We got like our rollers, our brushes.
Terry cloth.
Yeah,
This is terry cloth.
terry
brushes.
cloth.
Yeah.
Look, everywhere we go, we be people think we're crazy. Like how we talk to the people and stuff like that, they think we crazy. We had all types of help in Home Depot, and then we had a customer helping us out,
They
child,
might be better. They
because we were
better
being
than Lowe's with the
arrested.
customer service. man.
They
I
might be
say,
because
they
she
got-
walked
they
us
got
through and answered all the
That's
questions.
they were, man.
But this is basically what we have. Let me show y'all. While it's on the go, you can keep on moving.
Keep it moving.
Yeah. So y'all can see the brushes and stuff like that. And when we actually start painting, which we'll probably do next week, we'll actually show y'all like everything that we got, because we realize there's other people who probably painting and who are new to this, like we are. And so y'all can kind of learn from our mistakes or our struggles, because from what I hear, this is gonna be a doozy, child. But we gonna make this thing happen. And yeah, we just wanted to come and
Just open it.
we wanted to come and just check in with y'all and kind of give y'all an update on where we left off. Y'all, I'm wearing this lip bar, Lippy, and when I tell you on everything I love, and I'm not biased because she's from Detroit and she went to my high school, this is legit.
Did you have to include that part?
What?
The Lippy coming from Detroit?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh,
Detroiters, we gotta support each other. That entrepreneurs, us coming and making it happen, you know what I mean? That's why I got it. But
what you got, man? They don't even see what you got. You see what I'm saying with the terry cloth brushes right quick? Bam. What the name of that is?
You don't even
El
know.
Mayhor, look at that.
El Mayhor.
Latex and oil paints, paint set, semi-smooth to semi-rough surfaces. It don't tell you what it is. She told me, but
it's a generic
microfiber, that's what it is.
Oh.
Microfiber. Look at your boy. I'm trying to tell you. Got the stir sticks on the low, look at that. And so the other thing that we got here is we got the what these, the drop cloth?
Drop cloth.
Drop
I just got
drop it like it's hot. You see that right there? Drop
we
cloth.
might not need all of them.
And then we got the edge.
Yes.
Holla at your boy. That's right
We
here.
might need 2 of those.
Young artist
might come back in artist. So if y'all don't comment on the comment section and tell him it's Aristotle, or is it? Come on, y'all, tell us what it is. It's Aristotle.
And then you see the tape right there, so I can go ahead and be perfect. You know what I'm saying? If you do it, you gotta do it right. That's that U of M. That's the Michigan difference right there. You dig? So we're gonna tape off the walls with that.
Tape is the Michigan difference, y'all.
That's all I need to say.
The tape is the Michigan difference. But anywho, I'm driving.
Yeah, you about to drive.
I'm getting into the whatchamacallit, like I'm not driving. Alright, let me see. I'm gonna get in this El Coche. Okay? The Coche, the car. Y'all, I'm trying to get my whole life on drinking. Let him in. I'm drinking more water, so I have to finish this whole bottle by the end of today because I've been breaking out, and I think I'm taking some
5 times a day.
But I didn't go yet. I haven't gone yet. You see that?
That's the bathroom.
But this is like what I'm trying to do today is drink this whole bottle, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do.
I might need to switch that battery out.
I'm hungry. Oh, I got my. Let me show y'all my snacks. Okay, I got some snacks.
Lunchable.
In my purse. Y'all,
you like lunchable to me.
You gotta say preferred.
Why is your seat up so high?
See, this is a snack. I got this from Target. It has like cheese, chicken, crackers, and I don't know, these chocolate almonds. But the battery is about to die, so I'm gonna holler at y'all.
You ride like my grandma.
Bye.
Like